Why Oommi Probiotics? Because it is safe, easy, effective, and extremely beneficial. One spray contains millions of probiotics, effective for days from a single application. Contains minimal ingredients with no preservatives added, is non-toxic, made with a mild and biodegradable formula. Protects against viruses, fungal, yeast, mold without the use of harsh chemicals. Breaks down biofilms on all surfaces. Provides a deeper clean by creating a microflora layer. Removes dust, dirt, and oil on surfaces. Keeps hard-to-wash areas fresh and clean. Drastically reduces odors and bad bacteria. Safe to spray directly onto skin. Improves skin's health and softness of fur. Prevents overgrowth of bad bacteria. Relieves skin allergies and itchiness. Prevents infections and flare-ups. It is important to keep our furry ones' eyes and ears clean, clear, and healthy. Protects the quality, color, and hygiene of your pet's laundry. Probiotic cleaners are made to keep us and our furry ones healthier and our homes cleaner and safer the natural way.